In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media. We'll walk through setting up a simple but powerful social media board that helps you plan, track, and manage your content in one place. First, log into your Monday.com account. On the left side, you'll see your list of workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want your social media board to live. Next to that workspace name, click the small plus icon. Hover over board, then click New Board. A pop-up will appear asking how you want to create it. You'll see an option to create a board with AI or create it manually. For this walkthrough, choose to create the board manually. Give your board a clear name, like Social Media Calendar or Content Planning. Then select what you're managing on this board and set the privacy type based on who should see it. When you're ready, click Create Board. Now you have a blank board, and it's time to add the columns you need. To add a column, click the plus icon to the right of the last column. From there, you can search for and select the column type. For social media, it's helpful to treat the item name as the post title or campaign name. Add a status column so you can track each post as an idea, draft, scheduled, or published. Add a people column to assign the content owner, designer, or person responsible. Use a date or timeline column to schedule post dates, deadlines, or campaign durations. A drop-down or tags column works well for marking the social platform, such as Instagram or LinkedIn, as well as content type or campaign. Use a text or long text column for your copy, captions, hashtags, or notes. A files column will let you attach images, videos, graphics, or draft assets. If you want to track performance or budget, add a numbers column for metrics like likes, shares, reach, or ad spend. You can adjust your board as you go. To delete a column, hover over the column header, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete. To rename a column, click directly on the header text and type the new name. To add or edit a value, just click into any cell and start typing or selecting. If you want to rearrange columns, hover over the header until your cursor changes to a hand, then drag and drop the column left or right. For larger posts or campaigns, use sub-items to break the work into smaller tasks like writing copy, designing graphics, and scheduling. Groups are another powerful way to organize your content. You might create a group for each month, like March or April, so you're planning ahead on a calendar basis, or organize by platform, such as Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter, if different team members own different channels. You can also group by campaign, for example, a product launch or a holiday campaign, to keep all related posts together. To visualize your workflow more clearly, take advantage of different views. Add a calendar view to see all scheduled posts laid out by date. Use a timeline or Gantt view to track deadlines and overlapping campaigns, which is especially useful when you're running multiple initiatives at once. A Kanban or status view lets you see posts moving from idea to draft to scheduled and finally to published. The files view gives you a gallery of all your images, videos, and graphics stored on the board. And if you want a high-level overview, set up a dashboard to monitor campaign performance, engagement, and reach across your content. Remember, your Monday.com board is flexible. You can tweak the columns, groups, and views at any time, depending on what you need for your social media strategy. Start simple, then refine the setup as your workflow becomes clearer. With a well-structured board, you'll have a centralized visual system to plan, create, and track all your social media content efficiently.